Sukhoi S-70 okhotnik-b is the first Russian heavy drone, is made according to the flying wing aerodynamic scheme. The takeoff mass of the machine is about 20 tons. The device is equipped with a jet engine. According to the military, the drone has anti-radar coverage and is equipped with equipment for optoelectronic, radio engineering, and other types of reconnaissance. The Russian Defense Ministry released a video of the first flight of the Okhotnik heavy attack drone developed by the Sukhoi Design Bureau, part of the United Aircraft Corporation. The device first made a full-fledged controlled flight with takeoff, maneuvering and landing on 3 August 2019. As it was then reported in the military department, the flight of the device took place at an altitude of up to 600 meters around the airfield. The drone was controlled by the operator from the ground. According to open data, its takeoff weight will be 20 tons, which will make it the heaviest of the developed devices of this type. It was reported that for the first time it will take off in 2018, and in 2020 will be adopted. The Okhotnik has a top speed of 1,000 km/h, almost the speed of sound. The drone is highly autonomous thanks to its AI brain. What's more, some of its technology and ammunition have been borrowed from the Su-57 5th-generation fighter. The Okhotnik's arsenal includes air-to-surface missiles and an array of bombs glide and operator-controlled that will not be suspended from the wings, but hidden inside the body to reduce visibility on enemy radar. The Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik Hunter will go into production in 2023. The head of state-owned Rostex said on 18 May 2022, while its producer is working on an upgrade for the drone's ground control equipment. The deadline was revealed by Sergei Chemzov during a meeting with President Vladimir Putin. The Russian Defense Ministry earlier indicated that it expected to receive S-70s in large numbers starting 2024, but the head of Rostex said the deliveries may begin a year earlier. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.